Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify LastPass breach check results and status detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the LastPass official website. Look for the login section and enter your credentials. Once logged in, locate the security dashboard on your account page. Click on the Security Challenges or Breach Report option. You should see an overview of any breaches that might affect your account. Make a note of any indicated breaches that relate to your stored passwords. To verify the specifics of each breach, click on the details provided. This will redirect you to additional information about the security incident. Examine the details closely for the names of the compromised sites. Next, check if you have an account with any of the breached services. If you do have an account, consider changing your password immediately. Use a password manager to create a strong, unique password for each service. Be sure to enable two-factor authentication for added security. To further verify the breach, visit third-party websites like Have I Been Pwned. Enter your email address to see if it appears in known data leaks. If your email is found, proceed with resetting passwords for those accounts. Keep all account recovery options updated to ensure accessibility if needed. Regularly monitor your accounts for any suspicious activity. Consider reviewing security practices and update them regularly. By staying informed and proactive, you can enhance your online security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.